2020, man, this has been a crazy year. I mean, one for the books. And I can tell you as a business owner and as a fellow geek, I understand the weight, the work, and the skill required to succeed in this new economy. And I want to thank you for everything that you're doing, that your teams are doing to push technology, to push software to address these problems. And more importantly, you're doing this while employing families, which is really important. And despite all of these challenges in 2020, the good news is, and I think you can agree, is that we're making progress. And so my advice for you is to keep doing you. Now I'm going to be sharing a handful of recommendations followed by weekly ideas to help your teams better plan, distribute, and track work. And doing this all while boosting collaboration. Now, if you were to ask 10 people what Agile is, you'd definitely get 10 different answers. What was, I believe, a tried and true process has now become almost an anti-pattern. And a lot of it has to do with the tools involved. You've spent a lot of time establishing and refining your software delivery and your project management processes. So it only follows that these tools that you're using adhere to your process and not the other way around. And speaking of tools, I mean, how many tools do we need? I mean, this landscape has gotten crazy. I mean, we have teams out there now that are buying tools for their tools. And this proliferation of tools is just leaving you with an empty pocketbook. And what you've paid for is essentially to watch a tool fight. And some of these tools that are being used, I mean, these are industry giants, and yet projects are still failing. And I can tell you they're failing because of a lack of communication, but more importantly, they're failing because of a lack of transparency. Now, you can deliver successful projects and you can still lower your project management costs. You can reduce the number of non-revenue generating activities you have, and you can lower your TCO. And you can do this in a way that's going to help you hit your dates and improve your overall quality. You're going to do this with a single collaboration system that's going to help you really streamline processes in this new work from anywhere environment. Now, in the coming 3 to 4 months, I'll be sharing a series of sequential recommendations that the most successful teams use to lower their costs, improve quality, to stay on schedule. And really my goal here is just to make a small contribution on my behalf to really help us all build better software. And obviously here at GForge, we're a collaboration company. So I have to end this by simply saying, if you have questions, comments, or you just want to talk, definitely reach out. We're here.